How do you know the Big 12 football stadiums? Hints will appear something like this. You will have 8 seconds per question. Can you get all 16 right?
Question 1. TCU. Question 2. UCF. Question 3. Arizona. Question 4. Kansas.
While you're here, why don't you like the video, comment your score, and subscribe for more awesome sports content. Now let's get back to it.
Question 5. Oklahoma State. Question 6. Arizona State. Question 7. Utah. Question 8. Brigham Young University. Question 9. Colorado. Question 10. Cincinnati. Question 11. Texas Tech. Question 12. Houston. Question 13. Baylor. Question 14. Iowa State. Question 15. Kansas State. Question 16. West Virginia.
If you made it all the way through, we'd love to know your score down below, and be sure to share any other ideas for future videos in the comments. I'm totally not biased, but it might be worth checking out that video or that video. And be sure to subscribe for more awesome sports content.